সকলকে স্বাগত। ট্যানজেন্ট নরমালের ক্লাস চলছিল, আমরা তার পরবর্তী পার্টে আসছি। আমরা টাইপ 2 প্রবলেম করছিলাম, টাইপ 2 আরও কিছু প্রবলেম করে আমরা আবার এগোবো। তো এই প্রবলেমটা এরকম: find the points on the curve y equals to x cube. Points on the curve y equals to x cube at which the slope of the tangent is equal to ordinate of the point. তার মানে ordinate of the point is equal to slope of the tangent. So first line যেটা লিখতে হয় লিখো, let us take the point on the curve as say t alpha beta. So first line, as the point alpha beta lies on the given curve, so you get beta equals to alpha cube. This is number 2. Now dy dx, this is 3x square. dy dx at the point alpha beta, this is 3 alpha square. It is given that slope of the tangent at that point is equal to ordinate of the point. So according to the point, you have 3 alpha square equals to beta, because beta is the ordinate of the point. This is another equation. You have this equation, you have this equation. Now eliminating beta between 2 and 3, we have alpha cube equals to 3 alpha square. That implies alpha square into alpha minus 3 equals 0. That implies alpha equals to 0 or 3. Now for alpha equals 0, you get beta equals 0, and for alpha equals to 3, you get beta equals to 3 cube, that is 27. So the required points on the curve are, one is 0 0 and another is 3 27. Okay, so now take similar problem as homework. Find the points on the curve is same, y equals to x cube, where the slope of the tangent is equal to abscissa of the point. So here dy dx at alpha beta, this will be equals to alpha. In the previous problem it was beta, now it will be alpha. So let us repeat the problem. Find the point on the curve y equals to x cube where the slope of the tangent is equal to abscissa of the point. So your answers are, one point is 0 0 and another point is 1 by 3 comma 1 by 27. Next, let us go to the problem. Find the coordinates of the point on the curve. On the curve root over x plus root over y equals to 4, at which tangent is equally inclined to the axis. Though, how can a tangent be equally inclined to the axis? In 4 ways. This. In each case, when equally inclined, then the angle is either pi by 4, in this case pi by 4, and in this case this is 3 pi by 4. In this case 3 pi by 4. So your slopes must be plus minus 1, because when tangent makes pi by 4 with x-axis in these two cases, then their slopes are plus 1, and when tangent makes 3 pi by 4 with x-axis, then its slope is minus 1. So when a tangent is equally inclined to the axis, then its slopes are plus minus 1. This should be noted. So first line, let the coordinate of the point on the curve be alpha beta, say t alpha beta, as the point alpha beta lies on the given curve, so you have root alpha plus root beta equals to 4. This is number 2. Now differentiating both sides of 1 with respect to x, we get 1 by 2 root x, 1 by 2 root y dy dx equals to 0. That implies dy dx equals to minus root y by root x. Okay? So dy dx at alpha beta, that will be minus root beta by root alpha. Now, according to the question, the tangents are equally inclined to the axis. So this should be plus minus 1. This gives us root beta equals to plus minus root alpha. This is number 3. Now, eliminating beta between 2 and 3, we get root alpha plus minus root alpha equals to 4. Now look, if you consider minus sign, then this will be meaningless because 0 equals to 4, that has no meaning. So, we ultimately get the equation this. That is 2 root alpha equals to 4. That gives us alpha equals to 4 because root alpha equals to, so alpha equals to 4. After getting alpha equals to 4, now you can find beta from anyone. Say from 3, you have root beta equals to plus minus root 4. So this becomes plus minus 2. But root beta plus minus 2. So in each case your beta becomes 4. So the required points on the curve becomes 4, 4. Another problem, find the points on the curve on the curve 9y square is equals to x cube, where normal to the curve makes equal intercepts with x-axis. Equal intercepts. Equal intercepts, in that case also slopes will be plus minus. Okay, so first line, let us consider on the curve B P alpha beta. Now as alpha beta lies on the given curve, so we have 9 beta square equals to alpha cube. This is 1, this is 2. Now differentiating both sides of 1 with respect to x, we get 18y dy dx is equals to 3x square. This gives us dy dx equals to x square by 6y. So dy dx at alpha beta is equals to alpha square by 6 beta. So what is given in the question? Points where normal to the curve makes normal. So from this we get slope of the normal, that is minus 1 by dy dx at alpha beta. This becomes minus 6 beta by alpha square. Minus 6 beta by alpha square. When a line makes equal intercept, then its slope should be plus minus 1. So you get minus 6 beta by alpha square, this is plus minus 1. So ultimately you get beta by alpha square, or beta equals to plus minus alpha square by 6. This is number 3. Now eliminating beta between 2 and 3, between 2 and 3, alpha to the power 4 by 36 is equals to alpha cube. That implies alpha to the power 4 minus 36 alpha cube equals to 0. From this we have getting beta between 2 and 3. Here it is 9. 9 into this. 9 4 the 36. 4 alpha cube. Alpha cube into alpha minus 4 equals to 0. That implies alpha equals to 0, 4. Now, for alpha equals 0, you get 9 beta square equals 0, so ultimately beta equals 0, and for alpha equals to 4, beta square becomes 64 by 9. Beta square becomes 64 by 9. So beta will be plus minus 8 by 3. Now, according to our calculation, we get the points 0, 0, 4, 8 by 3 and 4, minus 8 by 3. But consider that when a normal passes to the origin, how can it make it intercepts on axis? So this 0, 0 will be cancelled. So the required points will be these two, that is 4, 8 by 3 and 4, minus 8 by 3. So take similar problem as one more. Find the points on the card. Y equals to 3x square minus 9x plus 8 at which the tangents are equally inclined to the axis. Your answers are 5 by 3, 4 by 3 and other is 4 by 3, 4 by 3. These two are points. Next, let us go to the third type problem. Here, problems are based on finding equations of tangents and normals to a given curve at a given point. Type 3. Write down problems on finding equations of tangents and normals to a curve at a given point. First problem, find the equation of the tangent to the curve y equals to minus 5x square plus 6x plus 7 at the point half, 35 by 4. Half, 35 by 4. So first find dy dx. This will be minus 10x plus 6. Now dy dx at half, 35 by 4. Half, 35 by 4. This will be minus 10 into half plus 6. Minus 5 plus 6, that is 1. So you get slope of the tangent at that point is 1. So you can write the equation of the tangent as this by the point slope form. Y minus 35 by 4 by x minus half equals to 1. Now just simplify it, multiply both divided by 4, you get 4y minus 35 by 4x minus 2 equals to 1. That implies 4x minus 2 equals to 4y minus 35. That implies 4x minus 4y plus 33 equals 0. 4x minus 4y plus 33 equals 0. Or you can write in this form also, y equals to x plus 33 by 4. Y equals to x plus 33 by 4. Next problem. Find the equation of tangent and normal to the parabola y square equals to 4x at the point 80 square comma 280. You know, a parametric point on this parabola is 80 square to 80. So this is very useful in our future calculation. We will see that this parametric point or parametric form, those are very important for making easy the problem, for making easy the calculation of the problem. So here you are asked to find tangent and normal to the parabola this at the point this. So this is one. Differentiating both sides of 1 with respect to x, we get 2y dy dx equals to 4a. That implies dy dx equals to 2a by y. Therefore dy dx at 80 square comma 280. This will be 2a by 280, that is 1 by t. So you can say slope of the tangent to the curve at 80 square to 80 is 1 by t. So now equation of tangent this will be y minus 280 by x minus 80 square equals to 1 by t. So x minus 80 square equals to ty minus 280 square. That is x minus ty plus 80 square equals 0. This is equation of the tangent. Okay. Next, let us find equation of normal. Equation of normal. Just replace here minus t, because if slope of tangent is 1 by t, so it is obvious that slope of normal will be minus t. So from this we get y minus 280 equals to minus tx plus 80 cube. So you get tx plus y equals to 280 plus 80 cube. This is equation of normal. 280 plus 80 cube. The next, find the equation of the normal to the curve this at x equals 0. And here the curve is in some different form. Look, here the curve is y equals to 2x square plus 3 sin x. And you are asked to find equation of normal to this curve at x equals 0. At x equals 0. At x equals 0 means if you put x equals 0 here, you get y equals 0. So ultimately the point becomes 0, 0. You have to find equation of the normal to this curve at this point. So first find dy dx. Your dy dx will be 4x plus 3 cos x. So now dy dx at 0, 0. This will be 3 because cos 0 is 1. So this is slope of tangent. So slope of normal will be minus 1 by dy dx at 0, 0. This will be minus 1/3. So therefore equation of the required normal that will be y minus 0 by x minus 0 equals to minus 1 by 3. That implies y equals to minus x by 3. This is the equation of the required normal. You can write it in this way also. X plus 3y equals 0. Next, let us find equations of tangents to some standard curves at parametric points on those curves. So let us first consider the ellipse. X square by a square plus y square by b square equals to 1. And we know a parametric point on this ellipse is a cos theta, comma b sin theta. And we are asked to find equation of tangent and normal to the curve at this point. So first, in a similar way, this is number 1. So you have to write differentiating both sides of 1 with respect to x, we get 2x by a square plus 2y by b square dy dx equals 0. That implies dy dx equals to minus b square by a square into x by y. B square by a square minus b square by a square into x by y. Okay. Now dy dx you can write at theta also. At any point theta you can write minus b square by a square, x is a cos theta, y is b sin theta. So this will ultimately become minus b by a cot theta, but I am not writing this, I am writing this. So now equation of tangent to the curve at the specified point will be y minus b sin theta by x minus a cos theta. I think you have the formula in your memory. This is the formula, point slope form. The y minus b sin theta by x minus a cos theta is equals to minus b cos theta by a sin theta. So just cross multiply them. You get ay sin theta minus ab sin square theta is equals to minus bx cos theta plus ab cos square theta. So this will ultimately become bx cos theta plus ay sin theta equals to ab, because sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. You can write in this way, or you can write x cos theta by a y sin theta by b equals to 1, dividing both sides by ab. So you get, this is the equation of the tangent to the curve at any point theta. Next, let us find equation of normal at the same point. For normal, we have to replace the slope only. Y minus b sin theta by x minus a cos theta. This will be a sin theta by b cos theta. Minus will be plus here. Now cross multiply them. You get ax sin theta minus a square sin theta cos theta is equals to by cos theta minus b square sin theta cos theta. Now this will be a sin theta into x minus b cos theta into y is equals to a square minus b square sin theta cos theta. This will be equation of normal to the curve. Or you can write in another way by dividing both sides by sin theta cos theta. You can write it as ax sec theta minus dy cosec theta equals to a square minus b square. Anyone is correct. So, in this way, you can find equations of tangents and normals to the hyperbola also. X square by a square minus y square by b square is equals to 1 at the point a sec theta b tan theta. You know the parametric point on the hyperbola is this a sec theta b tan theta. Sorry. So here the answers are equation of tangent will be x by a sec theta minus y by b tan theta equals to 1, and equation of normal will be ax cos theta plus dy cot theta dy cot theta equals to a square plus b square. Similar way we can find, this is one problem, another problem, homework. Find equation of tangent normals to the parabola this at the point a by m square comma 2a by m. So your answer will be tangent will be m square x minus my plus a equals 0, and normal will be m square x plus m cube by minus 2am square minus a equals 0. So in this way you can find equation of tangent and normals to different curves at some specified point. Next, let us go to the fourth type problem. What is the type? This is the type on finding tangent and normal parallel or perpendicular to a given line. Write down, on finding tangent and normal parallel or perpendicular to a given line. First question of type 4. Find the equation of the tangent line to the curve y equals to x square plus 4x minus 16. X square plus 4x minus 16 which is parallel to the line. 3x minus y plus 1 equals 0. 3x minus y plus 1 equals 0. So write it in slope intercept form. You get 3x plus 1. So here 3 is the slope of the line. So your tangent should have slope 3. It is given. Now equation of the curve. This is 1. So let us consider the point of contact of the tangent to the curve P alpha beta, like previous problems. Now, as alpha beta lies on the given curve, you have beta equals to alpha square plus 4 alpha minus 16. This is number 2. Differentiating, we get dy dx equals to 2x plus 4. That implies dy dx at alpha beta this will be 2 into alpha plus 2. Now according to the question, as the tangent is parallel to this given line, so it should have slope 3. So we have 2 into alpha plus 2 equals to 3. That implies alpha equals to 3 by 2 minus 2, that is minus half. So after getting alpha, we can find beta from this relation. We get beta equals to alpha square, that is minus half whole square plus 4 into minus half minus 16. This is 1 by 4 minus 2 minus 16 equals to 1 by 4 minus 18 minus 71 by 4. So the point of contact becomes minus half comma minus 71 by 4. But you are asked to find the equation of the tangent. So equation of the tangent will be y plus 71 by 4 x plus half equals to 3. So multiply both numerator and denominator by 4, you get 4y plus 71 4x plus 2 equals to 3. That implies 12x plus 6 equals to 4y plus 71. That ultimately gives 12x minus 4y equals to 65. 12x minus 4y equals to 65. This is the equation of the required tangent. Next question. Find an equation of normal line to the curve this y equals to x cube plus 2x plus 6, x cube plus 2x plus 6, which is parallel to the line x plus 14y, x plus 14y plus 4 equals 0. But your required normal is parallel to this line. So write it in slope intercept form. You get y equals to minus 1 by 14 x plus minus 4 by 14 2 by 7. So first line, let us consider the point on the curve BP alpha beta. So as alpha beta lies on the given curve, you get beta equals to alpha cube plus 2 alpha plus 6. This is number 2. Differentiating, we get dy dx equals to 3x square plus 2. That implies dy dx at alpha beta, this is 3 alpha square plus 2. As here the concern is normal, so slope of normal will be minus 1 by 3 alpha square plus 2. That should be equal to minus 1 by 14 according to the question. That implies you ultimately get 3 alpha square plus 2 equals to 14. That implies 3 alpha square equals to 12. Alpha square 4, so alpha should be plus minus 2. After getting alpha plus minus 2, now obtain beta from 2. When alpha equals to 2, then beta will be 2 cube plus 2 into 2 plus 6. 8, 4, 12, 6, 18. And when alpha equals to minus 2, then beta will be minus 8, minus 4 plus 6, minus 12 plus 6, that is minus 6. So the required points on the curve becomes, one is 2, 18 and the other is minus 2, minus 6. Minus 2, minus 6. Now you are asked to find equation of normals. So you know point, you know its slope. So now you can write the equation of normal in this way. Write down the required equations of normals. Y minus 18 by x minus 2 equals to minus 1 by 14, and another one is y plus 6 by x plus 2 equals to minus 1 by 14. Now just simplify. 14y minus 18 into 14 minus x plus 2, that ultimately becomes x plus 14y equals to 254. The other one will be 14y, 14 6 are 84 minus x minus 2. So x plus 14y plus 86 equals 0. X plus 14y plus 86 equals 0. This one, this one. These are the required equation of normals to the curves. Next question. Find the equation of tangent to the curve y equals to 4x cubed. Y equals to 4x cubed minus 3x plus 5. 4x cubed minus 3x plus 5, which are perpendicular to the line x plus 9y plus 3 equals 0. Perpendicular to the line x plus 9y plus 3 equals 0. So write it first in slope intercept form. You get y equals to minus 1 by 9 into x minus 1 by 3. So slope of the given line is minus 1 by 9. So as the required tangent is normal to this line, so slope of your tangent will be slope of required tangent that will be plus 9. Okay. Now let the point of contact be alpha beta like previous cases. So differentiating both sides of 1 with respect to x, we get dy dx equals to 12x square minus 3. That implies dy dx at alpha beta. This will be 12 alpha square minus 3. Now slope is 9, so you get the equation 12 alpha square minus 3 equals to 9. That implies 12 alpha square equals to 12. That implies alpha square equals to 1. That implies alpha equals to plus minus 1. Now, as alpha beta lies on the given curve, you have beta equals to 4 alpha cube minus 3 alpha plus 5. So when alpha equals to plus 1, your beta will be 4 plus 5 minus 4 plus 9 minus 3 6. And when alpha equals to minus 1, then beta will be minus 4 plus 3 minus 1 plus 5 4. So the required so the points on the curve so the points of contacts on the curve becomes one is 1,6, another is 1,4. Now equation of required tangents will be y minus 6 by x minus 1. This equals to 9, and other one will be y minus 4. This is minus 1. Y minus 4 by x plus 1. X plus 1. This is 9. So ultimately, simplifying this, you get the equations as 9x minus y. 9x minus y equals to 3, and the other one will be 9x minus y plus 13 equals 0. These are the equations. Now let us solve the last problem of today. Find the equation of the normal to the curve y equals to x ln x. X ln x, which is parallel to the line, 2x minus 2y plus 3 equals 0. Parallel to the line. So its slope is y equals to x plus 3 by 2. That is, slope is 1. Parallel to the line, so slope of the tangent will be, slope of the normal will be 1. So from 1 we have dy dx equals to x into 1 by x plus 1 into ln x. That is ultimately 1 plus ln x. If we consider the required point be alpha beta, that is point of contact at the point where the normal is drawn with the alpha beta, then dy dx at alpha beta becomes 1 plus ln alpha. So slope of normal will be minus 1 by 1 plus ln alpha, and that should be equals to 1 because the normal is parallel to this line. This is 1. So you ultimately get 1 plus ln alpha equals to minus 1. That is ln alpha equals to minus 2. That is alpha equals to e to the power minus 2. Why e to the power? Because ln means log base e. So you get alpha equals to e to the power minus 2. Now as alpha beta lies on the given curve, so you have beta equals to alpha ln alpha. So you get e to the power minus 2 ln of e to the power minus 2, this is minus 2, that is minus 2 e to the power minus 2. So the point on the curve becomes e to the power minus 2 comma minus twice e to the power minus 2. Now you have to find equation of normal. So just one line more. Equation the required normal will be y plus 2 e to the power minus 2 by x minus e to the power minus 2 equals to, the slope was 1. So you get 2 e to the power minus 2 equals to x minus e to the power minus 2, x minus y equals to 3 e to the power minus 2, 3 e to the power minus 2. This is the equation of the required normal. Okay. Thus I am completing today's class. Hope you all are fine and you do rest of the problems from your textbook. Okay, bye.